This is Poppy Corn Surprise and Grisel. Friends, it has been a blazing hot minute since our last new Nerlie. We are ready for this.
It's the Nerlie house.
And
let's go. All right, Poppy. We have we think, new Nerlie here. Can you tell us what you have in front of you to prepare for this new Nerlie?
Well, I think she's a yoga lady.
Okay, she's into yoga, right? So what did you bring here?
And so I have a little yoga headband.
Yoga headband.
In case she gets thirsty.
One and a water bottle. Yoga people like water.
Yeah, and we need this so we can clean her belly button.
Belly button, all right. Yeah. Wet paper towel.
Also, if we don't do that, she'll get sick.
What is this?
And this is so she can take notes.
The baby's taking notes?
She can take notes.
Uh-oh. Okay.
She's very smart.
Now, what's all this unicorn stuff? What's that about?
Well, unicorns are smoothie and then cones.
Okay. All right, we ready to open? What's your #1 question about this new Nerlie, Griffin?
What color?
What color is it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's find out. All right, Pop, get in there.
Blue wrapping paper. Blue wrapping paper. Blue wrapping paper. Blue wrapping
It's blue, the color of calmness. It's a shipping notice. And now, folks.
A glitter bomb.
Whoa, let's check this out. All right, here we are, guys. Generation exclusive to America. Take it easy. I don't know. Okay, so Poppy, this is the first time, like, we don't know anything about this, do we? Yeah, so we're just finding out, like, we just bought this. We haven't done a ton of research. Normally we know, like, everything about it, but this is, like, unique for us. We don't really know. All right, so we're gonna check it out. So yeah, Poppy said it's squishy because she had done this and felt that this ball is not solid.
No, actually, I just saw this and just squeezed it.
Oh, but it's squishy. Okay. I don't know if I'll actually keep all this in the video, but okay, this is really cool. So the first thing, take a deep breath and breathe, right, Poppy? Do not take your Nerlie baby out until you're both 102% calm. When you are, you're ready to meet. Step 2, create a special and peaceful place to take your baby out from its bubble. Poppy, where do you think it could be?
Outside.
Outside? Okay. Griffey, what do you think is a peaceful place?
Inside.
Inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside, okay. Step 3, keep calm. Take it easy, one step at a time. Once you have taken your baby out of its bubble, you can fill it up with water. Now begin to squeeze it until you reach a mindfulness state. Oh my goodness, so you get like a fun squishy toy. No.
What about if you want to play with the Nerlie?
You're gonna get to play with the Nerlie. Okay, let's bust into this and see how it works. Oh, I can't get the stinking thing out of here.
Dad, take it easy.
Oh yeah, take it easy. I don't want to take it easy. I'm not into all that mumbo jumbo.
Daddy, that's pretty good.
All right.
And smell.
What's it smell like? What's it smell like, Poppy? But it smells magical. I'm getting like some kind of beautiful scent. Like plastic mindfulness.
I want to take this off so badly to get out.
But we're going to. Okay, guys, real quick, what you get in the box. Hey, whoa, Kelly. We're trying to unbox a baby over here. Could you tell that baby to be quiet? So you get a binky,
A sponge.
a sponge, a diaper.
A picture of her in
and a bunch of different little paper things,
Oh, and
you
always
know?
have this because her belly
Right,
button
right.
will
But
get
that doesn't come with it. And her diaper, of course. Did we tell you her diaper?
And a sticker.
What?
And a sticker.
A sticker.
Get a new baby.
There's a new baby in here. Wait, Poppy, don't open it yet.
Oh, yeah.
We've got to go to our perfectly peaceful place. So you get to pick that, okay?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I dropped the baby.
You dropped the baby? Is the baby okay? Oh my goodness. Griffey, can you help Sissy pick some stuff up? This is getting serious, folks. Serious operation. Poppy's taking us to her peaceful place to open our Yoga Nerlie. All right, Poppy's got a spot in our yard that is perfectly peaceful. Is this it?
Yeah.
All right, get that unicorn headband on. Here we go. Did some glitter just pop out? Here, shake it. Shake it out. Shake it out.
I take it off. I take it off.
Oh my gosh. So there's just freestanding glitter confetti in this thing. So what do you do next, Poppy? Does that like stretch to open? Oh my gosh. Here comes the baby. She's got glitter all over. Wow. That was disturbingly kind of like a real birth. All right. So you get this magical ball and a stopper, and you can make a stress relief ball out of it. Or something. I bet you could put slime in there, and that would be really cool. All right, what else do we have? All right, folks. Poppy is very interested in the stress ball idea. So she's gonna see how it works. Poppy also likes to make a mess. All right, guys, there's the stress ball. I don't know if I would stake my life on that little stopper or anything, but hey, it looks cool, right? Look at all that glitter in there. So satisfying.
I'm hoping.
Can anybody say so satisfying?
So. I want it. I want to squish it.
Squish it, Griff, man. Let Griffy have a squishy. All right. Poppy is gonna clean off our new Nerlie baby and try and get some of this glitter off of her.
Stop.
The glitter's stuck?
Yeah.
Getting some off, right? Oh my gosh, she's so fresh. We can go upstairs and like kind of rub some of it off too. All right, Poppy, what's her name? Sophie Zen! Oh, Sophie Zen! Poppy just took that umbilical cord out. Such a precious moment every time you get a new Nerlie. And Griffey gets to play with this awesome water balloon thing! What? All right, folks, here she is, Sophia Zen, the Take It Easy Nerlie. And like a lot of the generational exclusives, it's based on, you know, that most recent one. So she's a lot like the bubble gum. But I want to turn her around for you because that's what's really cool there is the pattern on her head, which is kind of all, you know, a little yoga looking and I think really, really cool. Poppy and I also loved her color because there's not another Nerlie like her. She's completely unique. Poppy, what's on your eyelid there? Is that new eye makeup?
listen, if you guys want to see me go on a crazy adventure, click like and subscribe, and let's do this thing again.
Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and ring my bell. Come on now, ring my bell. Yeah.